Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I am Yansan Tolentino Espedido, 23 years old, single, and professional teachers here in the Philippines. I'm from Purok Uno, Mobocan, Kawayan City, Isabela. I took a Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English from University of Perpetual Help System, Isabela Campus.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have teaching experience as a private tutor at Gero Tutorial Center, wherein I handle personalized lessons and guided students with their academic performance. I have also experienced as a domestic helper for a Filipino family with 2 sons, wherein I perform such as cleaning, cooking, ironing, and taking care of their pet. Also, I help the parents of taking care of their children.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir and ma'am. I hope you select me as your helper. I am Yansan Tolentino Espedido, a responsible, honest, and a hardworking person. I promise to do my best and serve your family with respect, care, and dedication. Thank you so much.